Andun po may kustiya niya kumat, lagi.
Lalba Fort is a fort in the old city of Dhaka, Bangladesh. It is built in 1678. Its name is derived from its neighborhood Lalba, which means red garden. The term Lalba refers to reddish and pinkish architecture from the Mughal period. The original fort was called Fort Aurangabad. Its construction was started by Prince Muhammad Azam Shah, who was the son of Emperor Aurangzeb and a future Mughal emperor himself. After the prince was recalled by his father, the fort's construction was overseen by Shaista Khan. The death of Shishta Khan's daughter Pari Bibi resulted in a halt to the construction process, apparently due to Shaista Khan's superstition that the fort brought bad luck. Pari Bibi was buried inside the fort. Lalba Fort was built as the official residence of the governor of the Mughal province of Bengal, Bihar and Orissa. The complex includes the Mughal governor's house, the tomb of Pari Bibi, and a mosque. It is covered by lawns, fountains and water channels. Its two south gates were previously grand arches. The original grand complex covered the governor's house and the two archways. The tomb of Pari Bibi was later added. Lalba Fort was modelled as a miniature version of great Mughal forts like the Red Fort and Fatehpur Sikri of India. During the reign of Emperor Aurangzeb, Mughal Bengal became the economic engine of the empire. Emperor Aurangzeb called Bengal as the paradise of nations. Dhaka grew into an imperial city with one of the richest elites in the Mughal empire, including members of the imperial family. Mughal artillery guarded the fort. Once located beside the Buriganga river, the river has retreated from the vicinity of the fort. The fort was depicted in European paintings during the 18th and 19th centuries. The Mughal prince Muhammad Azam Shah, third son of Aurangzeb, started the work in 1678. He stayed here for 15 months. The fort remained incomplete when he was called away by his father Aurangzeb. Shasta Khan was the new Subadar of Dhaka in that time, and he did not complete the fort. In 1684, the daughter of Shasta Khan named Iran Dukt Pari Bibi died there. After her death, he started to think the fort is unlucky, and left the structure incomplete. After Shasta Khan left Dhaka, Lalba Fort lost its popularity. The main cause was that the capital was moved from Dhaka to Murshidabad. After the end of the Royal Mughal period, the fort became abandoned. In 1844, the area acquired its name as Lalba, replacing Aurangabad, and the fort became Lalba Fort. The central area of the fort is occupied by three buildings: the Diwan-i-Aman, the mosque on the west, and the tomb of Pari Bibi in between the two. A water channel with fountains at regular intervals connects the three buildings from east to west and north to south. From the time of construction till date, various myths have revolved around the fort. Among all the historical stories and debates, it is widely believed that Lalba Fort stands as a monument of the unfulfilled dreams of Prince Muhammad Azam Shah, beloved son of Emperor Aurangzeb.